Welcome. Today's lesson is over how to find area for the triangle, the parallelogram, and the trapezoid. So this is a mathematics chart you will receive during STAR. It is not necessary to memorize these formula. However, it is important that you know how to use these formula and what parts go to each one. Let's start with the parallelogram. A parallelogram is when you have two sets of parallel line. This is parallel to the bottom. The sides are parallel to each other. Find the area of the parallelogram. So what I need to do is find the formula. Here it is. So it's A equal BH. Capital A, which means you need to multiply something, base times height. So I'm going to highlight the base in yellow and the height in green. Now let's get my pen going. So to find the area, I need to find a base. So from one end to one end is 10 meters. The height is 3 meters. This is a slant junk information. Oh yeah, we have got the 10 here. Why do I say that? Because I just flipped it around and you would have seen the base times height. So the area is 30 meter squared, or 30 square meter. To find the area of a triangle, it is capital A, which means you need to multiply things, the half of the base times the height. So let's highlight the base in yellow. Let's highlight the height in green. And we do not know the area. Sorry. And we do not need to use the slant. So let's make this height, let's make it 8. So let's calculate it. To find the area of this, I need to multiply to half. The base is 20. The height is 8. There's several ways you could accomplish this. You could multiply the base times height, which is 160. Half of 160 is 80 units, since they didn't give you the unit, squared. Or you could do half of the base, which is 10, times 8 is 80 units squared. Or you could do half of the height, which is 4, times 20 is 80 units squared. And last but not least, the trapezoid is capital A, which you need to multiply half of, you add up the two bases times the height. So let's get my highlighter. Here's one of the bases. Whoops. This is yellow. This is one of the bases. This is the other base. And this is the height right there. So, oh, do I need to use these? No, these are just slant. That's to trick you. So what are the two bases? 8 and 6. The height is 4. So several ways you can solve this area formula. Order operation in GEMDOS, we have to add up the grouping symbol. That's 14. So how do you want to solve this? You could do it this way. 14 times 4 is 56. Half of 56 is 28. How did I do that? I quickly divided by 2 in my head. So it's 28 units squared. Or another way you do is, this is how I would do it. Half of 14, half of the bases is 7 times 4 is 28 units squared. Or half of the height is 2. 2 times 14 is 28 units squared. And that's how you find area.